Hey guys, ready for a new vibe coding challenge? Let's build GTA 6 before it's even out. Let's roll. Whoa, that was close. Time to dive into the code.
All right, guys, let's start our vibe coding challenge. As usual, I'm trying to make a GTA 6 style game, just to see how today's cutting-edge models handle a task this big. My prompt is, using Three.js, build a fully playable GTA 6 style game. Make sure it looks visually impressive with a Vice City neon vibe, and all core gameplay mechanics must work, including shooting, car theft, police chases, and wanted stars. We're starting from the worst and going all the way to the best. Surprisingly, Gemini 3.1 Pro was the weakest model for this task. As you can see, all it gave us was a bunch of primitive glowing boxes moving around. Basically, it made a car that can shoot, and yes, there is some kind of police system, but everything feels super bare bones and unfinished. You can't even get out of the vehicle or steal other cars, so this was easily the weakest result today. Next up, Z.AI GLM5. This one is definitely better than Gemini. Here we actually get a walking character and even some pedestrians, so it already feels more like a real game world. But I couldn't find any cars at all, and the shooting still didn't work, even after I asked it to fix that, so it improved on the basics but still fell pretty far from the full task. Next up, we have Enter.pro, and this one actually gave a pretty solid result. Now we finally have a character, cars you can steal, and police chasing you, so it gets much closer to the full challenge. The controls are still very awkward though, and the car kind of drives sideways, but overall, not bad at all. Next up is the GPT-4.4 Thinking model, and this is another clear step up. The character is now fully animated and honestly starts to feel almost Unreal Engine level, don't you agree? We can walk around, shoot, and I did spot some cars, but I couldn't find any that we could actually steal. The police were also chasing us on foot, so while it looks much more advanced visually, some key gameplay parts were still missing. Moving on, next is Claude Sonnet 4.6. This one feels fun and actually makes sense. Shooting did not work, but car theft worked well, and the police car chase was honestly a lot of fun. Let me know what you think. And finally, Lovable. This one is a bit of a black box. I do not know which mode they are using, but as you can see, they went with a classic GTA 2 style top-down isometric view. Everything works here: shooting, car theft, police chase, and overall it is very fun. But the FPS was really low and the game felt very slow to play. So who won? Tell me in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and tell me what I should test next in our next vibe coding challenge. See you soon.
Let's roll.